Teamwork. We can do anything when we have teamwork. Don't you think so, my friend?
No, teamwork is getting in the way of my work. What don't you comprehend?
But working together is the key. Nothing's impossible when it's you and me.
I'm doing just fine on my own.
Work is no fun.
This is the guy
If I want it done right, I'll do it by myself.
But what if you need something on a higher shelf?
who created the design for the Bikini Bottom sewer system.
Need a partner helping you with this important job. I'll be the hammer, you'll be the nail. I'll be the boat, and you'll be the sail. I'm the flower.
And thanks to him,
Right now, I wish I was in a coma.
Come on, I'm here for you, and you're here for
the
me.
Bikini
It's
Bottom
better when you plus me equals
has
me. Working together in harmony. Side by side, we can reach our dreams. 'Cause nothing's impossible.
gone on a successful
Teamwork.
run
We can
on
do anything when we have teamwork. Don't you think so, my friend?
No, teamwork is getting in the
run
way of
on
my
making
work.
sure that
What don't you
Bikini
comprehend?
Bottom's sanitation system
Is the key. Nothing's impossible when it's you.
is perfect.
I'm doing just fine on my own.
Work is no fun when you do it alone.
If I want it done right, I'll do it by myself.
But what if you need something on a higher shelf?
But I'm the target of a very scary, crazy post-apocalyptic war.
Well, that's exactly why you need a partner helping you with this important job. I'll be the hammer, you'll be the nail. I'll be the boat,
His name
you'll be the
is
sail.
Charlton
I'm the flower,
Hawkfish.
You're the aroma.
Right now, I wish I was in a coma.
Come on, I'm here for you and you're here for me. It's better when you plus me equals we. Working together in harmony.
Hey, I think this song should go on Yo Gabba Gabba.
When we're a team.
Yeah, it's just a really interesting command.
Teamwork. We can do anything when we have teamwork. Don't you think so, my friend?
No, teamwork is getting in the way of my work. What don't you comprehend?
But working together is the key. Nothing's impossible when it's you and me.
Here's the
I'm doing just fine on my own.
feet
Work is no fun when you
for
do
this
it
guy.
alone.
If I want it done right, I'll do it by
But
myself.
what if you need something on a higher shelf?
But I'm the target of a very scary, crazy post-apocalyptic war.
Well, that's exactly why you need a partner helping you with this important job.
There he is, everyone.
I'll be the hammer,
That's how you
you'll be the
draw
nail. I'll be the boat, and you'll be the sail.
Charlton
I'm the
Hawkfish.
flower, you're the aroma.
Right now,
Alexa,
I
what is
wish
a
I was
hawkfish?
in a coma.
Hawkfish is a noun
Come
meaning
on,
any of
I'm
various
here for you
tropical,
and you're here for
cruciform
me. It's
marine
better
fish
when
of the
you
family
plus me equals
Ceratidae,
we.
found
Working
around the
together in
coral reefs of the
harmony.
western and eastern Atlantic and Indo-Pacific.
Alexa, say that again.
Hawkfish is a noun meaning any of various tropical, cruciform marine fish of the family Ceratidae, found around the coral reefs of the western and eastern Atlantic and Indo-Pacific.
I get that now. He'll be a great asset when it comes for when the Super Bowl arrives. Be sure to inform me about that. I've got plans and tickets to see that place myself. Hopefully one of these days I'll share that with the rest of you guys. Anyhow, that is how you draw Charlton Hawkfish. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And let me know what new SpongeBob biter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.